Man, looking all fresh. Chill. Hey, man, got the chest out and that. Hey. Hey. What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one only Tech Boss. So today, boy oh boy, I have some great news for you. For you guys out there in the US that are thinking Samsung are bringing out the most expensive phone that you guys can't even afford, out there, speak no more. Because they're going to be bringing the new 2020 A series to the US. So as far as I'm aware, they only have the S series in the US, which is quite expensive. You're looking at thousands of money, especially for the people that want to get a Samsung device, but they don't really want to spend that kind of money up to $1,000. So Samsung's actually done is announced that they're going to be bringing out the mid-range, which is the A series, the Galaxy A series. They're going to be releasing and launching that in the US. So people that want the Samsung Galaxy series that don't want to spend a lot of money on the S series or the S lineup can spend a little bit more money on the A series, which is going to be a lot more cheaper, especially for the people that like Samsung and they don't really want to spend that much to own a Samsung device. So the A series is going to offer a mix of mid-range and a premium range. So we're going to start off from the mid-range, which is going to be slightly cheap, and then as we go along the ladder to the premium range, it's going to get a little bit expensive, but not too crazy expensive that you can't afford the phone, if you know what I'm saying. Because Samsung is going to be bringing out the mid-range to the premium range, this means it's going to be able to compete with their competitors, which is in the USA. Competitors like Huawei, Oppo, OnePlus, iPhone, especially the SE 2020. Also, actually, did a video on that. The link will be down in the description below, so you can watch that video. And yeah, they want to be able to compete with the competitors, the guys that actually release mid-range smartphones out there in the US. So people that don't want to buy the high range can spend less more money and also get the performance that the high range model smartphones actually have, which is good for the business, which is good for business. So this is going to give everyone, like I've just said, an opportunity to be able to get a phone that everyone is saying is a great value for money, which is like what I just said, because Samsung is a top brand and they make the low range, they make the high range, and they got the medium range. So they want to release the medium range into the US so people can actually get the phone in their hands. Samsung devices that cost a lot of money. People are saying that is a good value for money, which it is. Me personally, I always go for the high range phone because I know it's going to be packing a lot of tech and it's going to be packing a lot of stuff. But obviously the medium range is still good, still a good smartphone. But obviously, yeah, also it's gonna be good for the people that don't want to step up to the S series, which is obviously the high range series of smartphone that Samsung has. The A series, which is the medium series, instead of people going for the S series, they can come down to the mid-range series. Then everyone's happy. So Samsung wants to keep everyone happy. People that don't want to buy the S series because it's so expensive, then Samsung is making them happy by releasing the mid-range to premium range smartphones, so everyone's happy. You might be asking yourself a boiling question: what kind of phones would these be? So obviously, like I said, it's going to be called the Samsung Galaxy A series. So they're going to be releasing a range of these A series, including two 5G models, which is going to be fantastic for, obviously, like I said to you, the mid-range. People want to have 5G, but that only comes on the S20 Ultra or on the Note series. But then people don't want to spend that much. People want to spend a little bit less, and then you have the mid-range. So Samsung wants to implement the 5G in the mid-range. So, like I said, it makes everyone happy. So, kicking off with a launch in America, they're going to be bringing out the phone stage by stage. So two phones they're going to be bringing out. So the first one they're going to be bringing out is going to be the Galaxy A01, and then the Galaxy A51, and the price bracket of this is going to be from $109 to $399. And then later on this summer, they're going to be bringing out the Galaxy A19, the A19, the A11 series and the A21 series, which is going to be going from $129 to $249. And then obviously then the 5G is going to be coming out as well, which they're calling it the Samsung Galaxy A51 and the Galaxy A71, which will be 5G. So the A51 is going to be, there's going to be a model that's non 5G and the one that's going to be 5G, and then obviously the A71, which is going to be full 5G. You're able to get that only in 5G. But yeah, basically what Samsung is trying to do is to allow people that don't want to spend a lot of money on the higher branded Samsung devices to be able to enjoy Samsung but not spend that much money on the S series. So if you wanted the S series but you didn't want to spend a lot of money, thousands of pounds, then you can buy the A series, which is going to give you exactly this, well, not exactly the same performance, but slightly little bit downgraded performance that the S series have, but it's still going to be a good, fantastic phone. So if you're looking at getting a Samsung phone in America or in the US, and somewhere in the US, but you don't want to spend a lot of money on a S series, then look into getting the A series, because I know for a fact that it's Samsung and their phone is awesome. So the A series is not going to be any different than the S series. The A series is still going to have a lot more tech like the S series does, but on a lower down scale, if you understand what I mean. But yeah, anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like that button. Hit that like button. Comment down below, tell me what you think about the video. Dislike the video as well, tell me if you didn't like it as well. And also comment down below what you want to see me do videos on, like tech wise. Like what, if there's a specific thing you want me to talk about, do research for you about, or whatever, just let me know down there in the comment section below. Anyway guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, and I will see you guys later. Peace.